Hello, how you doing? Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great Food. On the menu today, as you can see, we're going to make this beautiful Chinese pork, garlic, vegetables. It's really, really delicious, this one. Get your rice ready. Okay, we're going to get started with our pork. Now, I'm using pork leg. You can use loin or any other part. You can even use belly pork if you want. So there's not a lot of fat on this. It's a nice piece of meat. We're going to add some soy sauce. I'm using a dark one, and then here, fish sauce. You don't want to go crazy with fish sauce because it's very, very salty. Black pepper, a generous amount. And then some salt. But like I say, we've got all that fish sauce, don't go mad. What we're going to do is just mix that around, and then you want to let that sit in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then we can move on. Okay, so that's been like 20 minutes in the refrigerator. Just gives it a nice kind of time to soak up some of the soy and the fish sauce. Now we're going to add some flour. But by the way, the amounts of everything are going to be in the text below. This is an all-purpose flour. And as you can see, I've got my glove on, and we're just going to get in there and work the flour in to the mixture, and then we're going to go over to the cooker and we're going to fry off this pork. Beautiful. Okay, so I've got some oil in there. I'm using a corn oil. You could use something like a sunflower oil or something like that, or canola or something. What we're going to do, that's heating up, we're going to pick up our meat and we're going to drop it in. I'm going to cook this for about 5 to 6 minutes. Stir frying it around. It's going to be beautiful. Okay, off goes the heat. That's looking fabulous. Very simply, let's get it out, set it to one side, and we can move on. By the way, I'm keeping that oil to use for the next step. Okay, so still got this oil that we cooked the pork in, getting that hot again. I'm going to drop in some chunky cut onion, some slices of ginger. You can cut it small if you want. I like it big in there like that. We're on a high heat. I'll see you in about 2 minutes. Okay, next up we're going to add in some garlic, chopped garlic, like a tablespoon of chopped garlic. We're now going to get back in our pork. I'm going to go for about another 2 to 3 minutes, stirring all the time. Absolutely wonderful. Now I'm going to add some broccoli, bell pepper. I'm using green bell pepper. Some baby corn. And 1 tomato cut in a chunky fashion. I'll be back in about 3 minutes again, 3 or 4 minutes. Keep it moving, we're on a high heat. Okay, we're going to add some tomato ketchup. We're going to add the same amount of oyster sauce. And roughly the same amount of water. 3 more minutes, stirring. This is done. Okay, off goes the heat. For me, that's done. Now, I haven't added any salt or pepper to this, but it's because the pork has got all that seasoning and fish sauce on it. If you want, check it out. You might want to add a bit more, but for me, that's beautiful. Let me get that on a plate. Okay, and there you go. Absolutely beautiful. Get your rice on. That's lovely, just with some plain steamed rice. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, check out the social media, blah, 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 blah. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.